The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued to carry out attacks on military facilities in Ukraine. Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson, on June 27th said that in Kremenchuk, Poltava region, Ukraine, Russian aerospace forces launched a high-precision air attack at hangars with armament and munitions delivered by United States of America and European countries and Kremenchuk brought machinery plant. High-precision attack that resulted in the neutralization of the West manufactured armament and munition concentrated on the storage area for being delivered to Ukrainian group of the troops of Donbass. Detonation of the storage munition caused a fire in a non-functional shopping center next to the facilities to the plant. In addition, Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 2 command posts near Spornoye, Donetsk People's Republic. Armed forces of Ukraine manpower and military equipment in 28 areas towards Lugansk and Donetsk. Within the counter-battery warfare, high-precision attack launched by the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in neutralizing 4 Ukrainian platoons armed with a great multiple rocket launcher system near Leninskoye, Selidovo, and Zerzing that had been shelling and shelling the Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 2 artillery platoons near Kirovo, Donetsk People's Republic, and Zainchevskoye, Nikolaev region. Operational, tactical, and army aviation misses troops and artillery have neutralized 24 command posts, artillery, and mortars units in 58 areas, as well as manpower and military equipment in 304 areas. Russian air defense means have shot down 3 Su-25 airplanes and 1 Mi-8 helicopters of Ukrainian air forces near Permomaiskoye, Nikolaev region. 9 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles have been destroyed near Dniprovnoye, Shevchenkovo, Dementievka, Dimitrovka, Kharkov region, Yelenovka, Luganskoye, Troitskoye, Donetsk People's Republic, Lotsukovka, Lugansk People's Republic. On the other hand, Ukraine showed the footage of the demolished shopping center in Kremenchuk. Hundreds of rescue teams and firefighters battled the fire. Update on Twitter account at Army Inform. General Staff of Ukrainian Army puts the hashtag Russian war crimes, Russian kills civilians, and Russian Ukrainians war.
І за цей акт державного тероризму, як і за всі інші, Росія буде відповідати на полі бою в Україні посиленням санкцій і обов'язково в трибуналі. Я вдячний всім, хто захищає Україну. Підписав сьогодні новий указ про нагородження наших героїв. Ще 314 учасників бойових дій відзначені державними нагородами. Вічна слава нашим захисникам і захисницям. Слава Україні!
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.